Welcome dear student in Pharmaceutical Chemistry to Practicals. Myself lecturer Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gowdi, MPharm in Quality Assurance and lecturer in KK Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to deal with synthesis. Today's experiment number is 22. Title of the experiment: to synthesize acetanilide from aniline and to find out its % practical yield and melting point. Learning objectives are: after watching this video, student will able to learn intellectual skill, that means to understand the concept of experiment, to understand the precautions, to plan the experiment, to perform calculation, and motor skills, that means ability to handle equipment, take and record observation, ability to work according to plan of the experiment, and ability of group working. Now let's start with concept of the practical. Proposition first: acetylation. Acetylation is the process in which the reactive hydrogen atom is replaced by acetyl group, that means COCH3. Primary amine reacts readily upon warming the acetic anhydride to give monoacetyl derivative. If heating is prolonged and the excess of acetic anhydride is employed, variable amount of diacetyl derivative are formed. However, diacetyl derivative are unstable in presence of water and undergoes hydrolysis to monoacetyl derivative. Therefore, when the mixture of mono and diacetyl derivative is crystallized from an aqueous solvent like dilute alcohol, only mono derivative is obtained. Proposition 2: synthesis. It is a process in which new product with unique structural formula, molecular weight, and melting point is produced with chemical reaction. Proposition 3: purification. Purification is the process of removing impurity from the product. Purification of the product include application of recrystallization, washing and drying the product in oven at the definite temperature for a desired period of time. This is the assembly of Buchner funnel and the flask, and it is used for filtration purpose. Proposition 4: recrystallization. Recrystallization is the process in which compound is dissolved in selected solvent with heating and then cooled slowly to saturated solution from which pure compound is crystallized out. Proposition 5: yield. It is a quantity of product obtained in synthesis. They are theoretical yield, practical yield, and % practical yield. Theoretical yield: the weight of the product that one should get based on stoichiometric quantities of the reagent, assuming 100% completion of the reaction. Practical yield: the weight of the product actually obtained after the purification of the product. Percentage yield: it is calculated from the formula % yield is equal to practical yield divided by theoretical yield into 100. Now general concept structure. First of all, we have to study theory, then synthesis, then purification of crude drug by filtration and washing, by activated charcoal treatment, or by recrystallization. After purification we get a pure yield, and for that we have to determine melting point. Apparatus: glassware, round bottom flask, reflex condenser, beaker, Buchner's funnel, vacuum pump, measuring cylinder. And the chemicals are aniline, acetic acid, acetic anhydride, zinc dust, and ethyl alcohol. Now we see the chemical reaction. Reaction type is acetylation, in which acetyl group is replacing the hydrogen atom of aniline. Aniline plus acetic acid in presence of acetic anhydride, it gives acetanilide, in which acetyl group is replaced. Acetyl group is placed instead of hydrogen. Now for actual practical, we move towards laboratory. Welcome dear student in our pharmaceutical chemistry 2 laboratory. Today we are going to deal with synthesis. We have to perform synthesis of new compound. Today's title is to synthesize acetamide from aniline and find out its percent practical yield and determine its melting point. Now let's start with actual stepwise procedure. Now let's start with stepwise procedure. First, take 5.1 gram or equivalent to 5 ml of aniline in round bottom flask. This is 5 ml of aniline. We have to put it into round bottom flask. Then add 5 ml of acetic acid. And 5 ml of acetic anhydride. And this 5 ml acetic anhydride add into round bottom flask. And add pinch of zinc dust. Now, this is the round bottom flask which contains 5 ml of aniline, 5 ml of acetic acid and 5 ml of acetic anhydride plus zinc dust. And now fix this RBF with the condenser. Now reflex this RBF with the condenser in this way and provide it inlet with continued water supply, and this is the outlet. And after that we have to give continued heating till 30 minutes. Gently heat for 30 minutes so that the reaction occurs in RBF and we get the recrystallized product. Now 30 minutes are over. Therefore we have to remove, first of all stop the heating and then remove the flask from the condenser, and then further procedure we have to perform. Now pour this solution, pour this mixture into the 100 ml of water and stir it continuously so that we get the precipitate, white colored precipitate. After continuous stirring we get the white colored precipitate. This precipitate we have to filter from the vacuum pump. Filter pump by Bunsen flask. We have to filter this white precipitate which are getting from the synthesis from this filtration pump. This is the vacuum pump, this is the Bunsen flask, and this is the funnel. By using this assembly we have to filter the precipitate, white precipitate. For that we have to start the vacuum pump, then add, and by using this we have to get the white color precipitate. Hence by using filtration pump we get such a type of white color precipitate. Now this precipitate we have to dry at 105 degrees Celsius at oven. We have to put it into the oven and dry it at 105 degrees Celsius so that we get dried compound. Now after drying we get such a type of white crystalline powder. Now we have to wet this powder stir it, then add all the crystalline powder. We got 5.430 grams of powder. And finally we have to determine the melting point of this white colored crystalline powder. Now we have to determine the melting point of the given synthesized product, that is acetanilide. You continue heating so that the uniform heating is conducted, and we got proper melting point. Solid particle gets start to boiling. After all the solid particle getting converted into liquid form, then at that time we have to stop the heating and record the melting point. Okay. Now all the solid particle get dissolved. First of all, stop the heating and observe the melting point. It's 115 degrees Celsius. After practical, we got observation. Amount of aniline taken for the synthesis is 5.1 gram. Practical yield of the recrystallized product is 5.4 gram, and the melting point of the product is 115 degrees Celsius. Calculation: theoretical yield of the product from the reaction, as 93 grams of aniline gives 135 grams of acetanilide. Therefore, this 5.1 gram of aniline will give 7.40 gram of acetanilide. Practical yield, practical yield. Percentage is equal to practical yield divided by theoretical yield into 100. Therefore, practical yield is 5.4 gram and theoretical yield is 7.40 gram into 100. That means it gives 72.97% practical yield. Result: percent yield of acetanilide is 72.97%, and the melting point of acetanilide is 150 degrees Celsius. Thank you, dear student, for attending the session.